Hey, good morning.
Morning. You look busy.
Yeah, I'm trying to order groceries online.
Oh, running low on stuff?
Pretty much. The fridge is almost empty.
What app are you using?
Instacart. It's the easiest for me.
Nice. What do you need to buy?
Mostly basics. Milk, eggs, bread.
Did we finish all the eggs?
Yeah, you used the last two yesterday.
Oh, right. I made pancakes.
They were good though.
Thanks. So, how many eggs are you ordering?
A dozen?
That should be enough for the week.
What about milk?
Let's get the 2-liter one.
Okay, adding it now.
Do we need coffee?
Yes, we're completely out.
That explains why you look sleepy.
Exactly. No coffee equals no energy.
Add the same brand as last time.
The dark roast?
Yes, that one.
Done.
What about fruits?
I'm checking. Do you want apples?
Yeah, maybe 6.
Okay, adding 6 apples.
And bananas?
How many?
Maybe a bunch of 5.
Got it.
Do we still have oranges?
We have only one left.
Then add a few more.
Adding 4.
Perfect.
Should we get vegetables too?
Definitely.
Carrots?
Yes, 1 bag.
Ordered.
Potatoes?
We have some left.
How many?
3.
Okay, add a small pack.
Done.
What about onions?
Completely out.
Then add a bag.
On it.
Do we need tomatoes?
Yes, for cooking.
Add 6.
All right.
And spinach.
You want fresh or packed?
Fresh.
Adding 1 bunch.
Great.
Anything for snacks?
Maybe some crackers.
Okay, adding them.
And chocolate?
For you or for both?
For both?
Adding 2 bars.
Good idea.
Do you want chips?
Not really.
I'll skip them then.
What about cereal?
We're low on that too.
Add 1 box.
Added.
Oats?
Still half a jar left.
Okay, skip it.
Do we need cooking oil?
Check in the cabinet.
Let me see. It's half full.
That should last a week.
Great.
What about spices?
Which ones?
Salt and pepper?
Salt is fine.
Pepper?
Almost empty.
Add 1 bottle.
Done.
Do we need rice?
We still have plenty.
Good.
Should we get pasta?
Yes, 2 packs.
Adding them.
Sauce?
Tomato sauce?
Yes, 1 jar.
Ordered.
What about cheese?
Oh, yes, we need cheese.
Add 1 block.
Done.
Yogurt?
Do you want flavored or plain?
Flavored.
Adding strawberry yogurt.
Perfect.
Anything else?
Bread?
I added 1 loaf.
Great.
Butter?
We have some left.
Okay.
Do we need cleaning items?
Like what?
Dish soap?
It's almost finished.
Add 1.
Done?
Sponges?
Good idea.
Add a small pack.
Added.
Do we need laundry detergent?
Not yet.
Cool.
What about paper towels?
Yes, we're out.
Ordered.
Great.
Anything for the freezer?
Maybe frozen veggies?
Adding 1 pack.
Ice cream?
Really?
Why not?
Okay, adding ice cream.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Did you check the total?
Not yet.
How much is it?
Let me see. Around $72.
That's reasonable.
Want to add anything else?
No, I think we're good.
Should I choose express delivery?
When will it arrive?
In 2 hours.
That's perfect.
Okay, selecting it.
Great.
Should I use the saved card?
Yes, go ahead.
Done.
Order placed.
Yep.
Awesome!
Now we just wait.
And then we restock everything.